Hey guys, MajorSplashage here to do another Pokemon trading card game video. This is a Charizard EX box, and I'm really excited about this. So yeah, pretty standard box. Mysterious barcode. So let's get to opening it. Oh. Okay, this side isn't really being very cooperative. There we go. Now we have our promo card. That's the first thing. If you guys saw my last video, I had a lot of trouble getting the promo shiny Rayquaza out, but luckily I've gotten a little better since then. I learned from my mistakes. So yeah, this is pretty nice promo. I really like him. I'll set it back there for now. And giant version, even better. Let me move over Mega Ray. Okay. We've got one Steam Siege pack, a Breakthrough pack, a Phantom Forces pack, and a Roaring Skies pack. I'm going to go newest to oldest, and I'm going to save the whole set's code for the end of the video. Keep you guys waiting a little bit for that. Okay, here's your code card. Remember to comment telling me what you get, because I'd love to find out. See if you got something ultra rare. Okay, Anorith. Let me move the packs. Persian. Claw Fossil Anorith. Sneasel. Litleo. Nosepass. Chimchar stealing that gear. Meowth. Reverse Hollow Captivating Pokepuff. And a Split Volcanion EX. That is awesome. I already have one of those, but never mind getting something that you have when it's as cool as that. Oh, I opened that. Weird. Okay. Ignore that and focus on the code. 1, 2, and 3 from the back. Shake it up. Get it ready. Hope for another ultra rare. I wonder if we can get 4 ultra rare pulls in this video. That's my goal. Fracture. Parallel City. I don't have that one. Well, I have it now, but I didn't have it. Seaking. Skidoo. Ralts. Noibat. Magnemite. He's pretty cool looking Magnemite. Piplup. Reverse Hollow Starly. He's pretty neat. Oh, and a Simisear. There goes our all ultra rares. But let's hope for 3 out of 4. That's still really good. We might be able to pull that off. Nah, I shouldn't expect too much, because that is when I hit a dry spell. Here's the code. 1, 2, and 3. Whew. Okay. Hand Scope. Loundred. VS Seeker. Gulpin. Skarmory. Looking swaggy as ever. That's my favorite Pokemon. Oh, let me move that hair. Zubat. Bunnelby. Chansey. Reverse Hollow Roggenrola. So special. And Escavalier. I think that's how you say it. That's what it looks like. So, okay. On to our last pack. Roaring Skies. Super excited about this one. Oh! Okay. Come to me, Mega Rayquaza. There's the code. 1, 2, and 3. Ignore that Skype message. Healing Scarf. Gliscor looking scary. Switch. Natu. Oh. Ah. Spearow. Voltorb. Inkay stealing Meowth's berry. Cascoon. Reverse Hollow Fletchling. And I'm not sure I want to move this card. Bennett. Well, you know, it wasn't all bad. It was pretty good pulls. We got this amazing looking Volcanion EX and our Charizard promo. Same as last video, actually. I got two ultra rares. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like if you enjoyed, subscribe, favorite the video, and I didn't forget about the full set code, Charizard EX box, and I know what you get from this now. You get the Charizard promo card and a deck box and stuff, I think. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I already said this, but yeah, I'll see you later.